Morning and congratulations, Mr. Punj. It's quite clear Modi will be the next Prime Minister and the BJP is forming the government. I mean, this was called sometime now. This is the fact. The BJP has won the India 2014 election. The BJP has won, and I'm saying so because this has been led by the BJP. 233, 250 plus for the BJP. Congratulations, Mr. Punj. Your first reactions this historic morning for the BJP.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Arnab. My first reaction is that we are grateful to the people of India who has blessed the Bharatiya Janata Party, and the people of India have opted for politics of hope, politics of aspiration, and which was articulated by Shri Narendra Modi, and they have rejected the politics of fear, the politics of hate, which was propagated by Mr. Rahul Gandhi during his campaign. All Mr. Rahul Gandhi did during the entire campaign was to spread fear among people as to what will happen if Mr. Narendra Modi comes to power, if Bharatiya Janata Party comes to power. Right. In contrast, Narendra Bhai and the Bharatiya Janata Party campaign focused on the aspirations of the youth and gave a blueprint as to what the Bharatiya Janata Party will do if it comes to power, and how it will empower the youth to help themselves, to empower the women, what they could do for themselves and what they will do for agriculture, for various...
As I speak to you, 272 has been breached. Mr. Punj, 1 minute. The NDA has crossed 272. 272 the NDA has crossed. Narendra Modi's led NDA has crossed 272, and the NDA has won the election of 2014 going by trends. And going by our experience, 5 minutes past 12, it is really difficult for a trend like this to change. So Mr. Balbir Punj, 10 o'clock this morning, congratulations. You have won the election decisively. And what a mandate this is going to be.
Thank you very much, Arnab. Thank you very much.
How do you see this in historical context, Mr. Punj?
For breaking this news to the country.
How do you feel? What do you make? What do you feel is the historical impact? Historically, this particular election would be read as the best ever performance of the BJP. As someone who has been a journalist before being a politician, tell me, how do you put this result in a historical perspective, Mr. Punj? The NDA winning the election so decisively.
You give me, Arnab, 2 minutes. Number one, we must note, after 1984, when Congress has got 415 seats, after that, no political party has gone beyond 205. That was the best performance of the Congress in 2009, when they got 205. And before that, the Bharatiya Janata Party could never cross the 200 mark, and neither could the Congress. This is for the first time after 1984 that any political party by itself has been able to cross and reach this type of a figure. So this is the highest figure touched by one political party after 1984. Number two, see, this is a rejection of a dynastical politics, and the country has moved into an altogether new mode. And the country has also rejected, as I said earlier, the politics of fear, the politics of hate, and they have opted for the politics of aspiration, politics of hope. And this is what the campaign headed by Narendra Modi ji focused on. So we can, as we said in our campaign, ab achhe din aane wale hain. There is going to be a stable government, a firm government in saddle at the center, and you will see things moving very fast, and the country